Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to clone Git repository from GitHub into your Visual Studio Code. So, first of all guys, we'll start with simple things as getting Visual Studio Code in the first place, which is going to your Google Chrome or any kind of browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Over here guys, all you need to do is click on this first website that will appear for you, which is called visualstudio.com, and click on it. Now, here's the second step, which is downloading software for Windows or whatever operation system you have. For example, for me, Windows, I will just click here and it will start downloading. If not, if you have macOS or Linux, they still give you the chance to actually download it for it. So all you need to do is click on this arrow, and here it is, macOS, Linux, and of course Windows. And they give you the option for other downloads, and you can just open it on web instead of downloading it. Now, how we can actually clone repository from Git. So first of all, I will need you guys to go to here and then click on settings, command palette or control shift P, and here search for clone and click on the first one. After that, they will show you this clone from GitHub. Now, provide repository URL or pick repository source. So now I'm going back. Here I will go to GitHub. Um, um, calculator python code, and I will go here, for example, click on this one, and I'm going to do code, copy this, come here, paste it, and just like that you can let's pick destination over here. And now all you need to do is actually wait, remote open git log. So object it's done. So it's done now, as you can see here. Open git log and get status, everything really looks that it is working. So basically you just need to have like couple languages and libraries in your PC, like as you can see now. It didn't like fully worked for me because I don't have all the libraries that it has been used in this application. So make sure that you have read everything in this in the readme text file to be able to actually do everything. And basically, yeah, this is the application. That's how it's gonna be looking like. And of course, to have something like that, you will have to install so many libraries in order to have them in your PC. So yeah, guys, that's how you can clone anything from GitHub. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.